Okay, so when you're about to make a sparkling cocktail for the house or for poolside, or when you, especially, the first one we're gonna start off with is keeping it as easy as we can possibly imagine. 2 ingredients. First, some sparkling wine. I've chosen Flora, this is a Prosecco. If you're choosing a wine to make something that's subtle, like we're about to make, the first important thing is to taste the wine. I have tasted this. I like the taste of this. Make sure that whatever you're gonna use you actually like. Don't think, oh, I'm just gonna mix some syrup in so it doesn't matter. It matters. It's gonna be the dominant flavor. We're gonna use a little syrup to kind of augment this flavor a little bit and enhance it, but we're not trying to cover it up. So make sure that you like the flavor of the wine before you use it. Now you can see this has got a crown cap on it, like, you know, like a bottle of soda. That means it's probably frizzante, because if you try to do this to a full champagne pressured a wine, it would pop, which is why they use the cork and they use the cage and they use all that, because it's under a lot more pressure because the bubbles are harder. So we're just gonna pop that open like that. Pour some right there. And this is our cucumber watermelon syrup. Now, if you're gonna use a lot of fluid in a wine, you gotta make sure it's ice cold. Actually, I cheated and stuck this in the fridge. But if you're gonna make sure, if you're gonna mix sparkling wine with other things, make sure you chill them. Otherwise, you're lowering the temperature of this down to room temperature, and it's not as good. So I stuck this in the refrigerator first. And then also, I'm only gonna use between 1/4 of an ounce to 1/2 ounce, depending on the level of sweetness and the level of cucumber watermelon flavor I want to impart in the drink. So for me, I'm gonna go with just 1/4 ounce, and then I'm gonna taste it, make sure that it's exactly what I wanted. Oh, it's a shame this isn't smell-o-vision. Oh, that's perfect. So like that amount of the syrup to this Prosecco is gonna work really, really well for folks that like wine, but are really afraid of something too sweet. If some of your friends or yourself, if you like bolder, more watermelon, more cucumber, you just add a little more. But so anywhere between 1/4 ounce and 1/2 ounce is probably gonna be where you wanna end it. And once again, it'll all depend on how much sweetness, how much residual sugar is in the base wine you use. But it's just that easy. And there it is. Watermelon, cucumber, syrup, and a little Prosecco. Perfect.